Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Okay, before we are going to our class, let's start the prayer. Good children. Now we sing a song and enjoy it. Okay?
Parallelograms have two sets of parallel lines. Trapezoids only have one set at a time. A rectangle has four right angles. A rhombus has four sides that are equal. Squares have four equal sides and four right angles. Quadrilaterals have four sides and four angles. Parallelograms, rhombuses, trapezoids, squares and rectangles. And if you add the angles inside each of these, there will be 360 degrees. Parallelograms have two sets of parallel lines. Trapezoids only have one set at a time. A rectangle has four right angles. A rhombus has four sides that are equal. Squares have four equal sides and four right angles. Quadrilaterals have four sides and four angles. Parallelograms, rhombuses, trapezoids, squares and rectangles. And if you add the angles inside each of these, there will be 360 degrees.
Children, today we are going to see the properties of a trapezoid. In a quadrilateral, its one type is properties of a trapezoid. Okay? Trapezoid have parallel sides and non-parallel sides. Okay? So it has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the four sides, side 1 and 3 is called the parallel sides. Okay? 2 and 4 called non-parallel sides. So it is not a parallelogram. If it is parallelogram, it has two parallel sides. But here we have only one parallel side. The side A and C is called base. That parallel sides is called base. So in the trapezoid, parallel side is base, non-parallel sides called legs. It has four angles. Sum of the four angles is equal to 360 degree. Angle A, B, C, D is called 360 degree. And angle A and D, its sum of this 180, C and B is 180 degree. It has four corners. The corners are called vertices. See this mid segment. In the mid segment, when the two parallel sides between we draw the line, that line is called the mid segment. The mids, how do you find the length of the mid segment? So AB plus DC, sum of AB plus DC, we divide by 2, it is mid segment. We have two types of trapezoid. Right trapezoid. First one is right trapezoid. It has two right angles. Another one is isosceles trapezoid. It is the non-parallel sides are equal. So A and C called parallel sides. D and B non-parallel sides. The non-parallel sides are equal. It is called isosceles trapezoid. So how do you find area? So area is equal to half into base 1 plus base 2 into height. Okay. Next, height means it is not the side of the length. It is the perpendicular line. Okay. Perimeter means sum of the four sides. A plus C plus B plus D. Sum of the four sides is called perimeter. These are the properties of a trapezoid. So now we are going to see that exercise 2.3. So find the missing values. Height is 10 meter. Parallel side is A is equal to 12 meter. B is equal to 20 meter. So I take this is B, this is A because longest length is 20, shortest length is 12. Okay. So next, we have to find the area of the trapezium. So area of the trapezium formula is half into h of a plus b. So half into h is 10, parallel sides 12 plus 20. Next, first we solve the bracket. So 12 plus 20 is what? Yes, 32. Next, 10, 1 by 2. Next, if we can cancel, we can cancel. So the two, which number we can cancel 10 also, 32 also. So I select the 10. So 1, 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. Remaining what is there? Here 1, 1 5s are 5, next 32. 5 32s are 160. Yes, now area of the trapezium is 160 square meter. Next we will see the question number 2. In question number 2, they not given height. They not given height, but they given the parallel sides. A is 13 centimeter, B is 28 centimeter. Area is given 492 centimeter. We have to find height of the trapezium. We have to find height of the trapezium. Yes, area of the trapezium formula is what? Half into h of a plus b. Half into h of a plus b. So area of the trapezium we know that 492. Half into h we don't know that. So we keep the letter h. Next, a is 13, b is 28. I told already. First we have to solve the bracket. So 13 plus 28 is what? 41. So 492 is equal to half into h into 41. Next, what we have to do? I have to find h. So what we don't know, that we have to keep the left side of the. Next, what we know, we have to keep the right side. So h I want to find. So I keep h this side. Remaining two numbers I have to bring this side. So how I can bring? Already 492 is there. So I will write 492. Next 1 by 2. How I have to bring? 1 by 2 comes this side. It becomes 2 by 1. Next 41, it comes this side. It become 1 by 41. Next, so I want to cancel 41. I have to cancel 2 or 492. So the 2 table, the small number, I can't cancel the 41. So I cancel 41 and 492. So miss, I don't know miss, in 492 how many 41 I don't know. Yes, you use the normal division. In 492 how many 41 is there? Yes, 141 is 41. Remainder 8. Next bring 2, 82. 2 41s are 82. So how many 41 is there? 12 41. So 141 is 41. 12 41s are 492. Remaining one, next what numbers we have? 12 into 2. So 12 2s are 24 centimeter. So height of the trapezium is 24 centimeter. Next we will see the third question. Third question, height is 19 meter. Parallel sides A is not given, B is given 16 meter and area is given 323 square meter. So what is our solution? Yes, area of the trapezium. Here they given area of the trapezium. So what is our area of the trapezium? Yes, 323. So what is our formula? Half into h of a plus b is equal to 323. So half. H is given? Yes, given 19. A is not given. B is 16 is equal to 323. So always what we have to do? First we solve the bracket. But here in bracket inside we don't know one number. A and 16 we can't add. A and 16 we can't add. So what I have to do? I have to keep A plus 16, I keep the same. This numbers I bring to this side. This all the ones in multiplication. This all the ones in multiplication. In addition only we can't bring to this side. Okay. So first I bring the multiplication to this side. So already here 23. 323. 1 by 2, 2 by 1, 19, 1 by 19. So, a plus 16 is equal to, in 19, 3, 23 we can cancel? Yes, you do the division. So, how many times 19 in 323? 119 is 19, 2 19s are what? Yes, 38. So, we have to put 119 is 19. Remaining what? 12 plus 9, 12 minus 9, 3, 1 and 133. In 133, how many 19s are there? You can find. Do you know how many 19s? Yes, 7 19s are 133. So, how many times? 19 table 323 is 17 times. So, what is our answer? 17 into 2. So, a plus 16 is equal to 34. 34. Now, I want to find a. So, multiplication we finished. Next what we have to do? Next only we do the addition. Directly miss, I have to bring multiplication and addition. Don't do like that. First you do multiplication and solve and then we do the addition. So addition goes that side. It becomes subtraction. How multiplication is division. Division is multiplication. The same. இப்போ 1 by 2 எப்படி 2 by 1 ஆகுது? இப்போ 19 1 by, இப்போ மல்டிபிள் இருக்கிறது இங்கே டிவைடுக்கு வந்தது, இங்கே டிவைடில் இருக்கிறது மல்டிபிள் ஆகிடுது. அதே மாதிரி ப்ளஸில் இருந்தால் என்ன ஆகும் இந்த சைடு வரப்போ? மைனஸ் ஆயிரும். ஓகே, ஸோ ப்ளஸ் 16 கம் திஸ் சைட், இட் பிகம்ஸ் மைனஸ் 16. ஸோ ஏ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு வாட்? எஸ், 18. A is equal to 18 meter. So our A value is 18 meter. Next we will see that question number 4. Question number 4, height is 16 centimeter. A is 15 centimeter. B we don't know. Area is 360 square centimeter. So what is our solution? Yes, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium is equal to, what is? Yes, is given 360. I told in area of the parallelogram also. If the area of the area is given, you have to write to first and then you write the formula. It is easy for solving. Okay. So area of the trapezium is half into h of a plus b is equal to 360. Next, half, h is 16, a is 15, b we don't know, so we keep as b is equal to 360. Next, I told if the bracket we can numbers we can add, but here b we don't know. So what I told, you have to keep it the same. First we solve the multiplication. First we solve the multiplication. So 15 plus b is equal to 360 into 1 by 2 come this side, 2 by 1. 16 is 1 by 16. Now we can cancel. First 2 we have to check. Yes, 2 and 16 we can cancel. Yes, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16. Next, what we cancel? We cancel the 2. Next numerator, what number is there? 360. So 8 and 360. So 1 8 is 8. 4 8s are 32. Remainder 4, 5 8s are 40. So remaining what is there? Only 45. 45 into 1, 45. So b is equal to 45 minus 15. B is equal to 30 centimeter. B is equal to 30 centimeter. Children, now it's time for recall. So we know the first property. We have exactly one pair of parallel sides. The side AD and CB BC we extend, it will intersect. So only it is called non-parallel sides. Okay. So side AB and CD only is parallel sides. Other two sides are non-parallel sides. So bases, what are the bases? We know that parallel sides only bases. So bases is equal to the parallel sides of a trapezoid. So what are the parallel sides? Yes, side AB and DC. It has only parallel sides. Next, trapezoid will always have how many bases? Two bases. Okay. These are the parts of a trapezoid about bases. Next, we are going to see the legs. What is legs? Legs is non-parallel sides is called legs. So legs is non-parallel sides of a trapezoid is called legs. So what are the non-parallel sides? Yes, side AD and BC. So trapezoid have always will have how many legs? Yes, two legs. So trapezoids will always have two legs. Next, we are going to see that about angles. Okay. So trapezoids has how many angles? Yes, four angles. So what are the basis angles? The angles at opposite ends of each parallel side is called base angles. Okay. So angle AB and angle DC, opposite of the angles at opposite ends of each parallel sides is called base angles. So we have to write here base angles is what? A and B. Okay, because it is side of the opposite of the parallel sides. Next opposite of the parallel side is what angles? Angle C and D. Okay, angle D and C. So trapezoid will always have how many different sets of base angles? Yes, we have to write it has two sets of. So AB is one set, DC is another set. So though two sets is called the base angles. Okay. So trapezoid will always have two different sets of base angles. Next we are going to see that angle A and D, sum of angle A and D is called supplementary. Okay, trapezoid have supplementary angles across opposite base angles. Thank you students. I hope you understood the class. Okay, have a nice day. Take care of your health. Eat well. Okay, thank you children. Bye.